List of top 10 tallest people in the world alive today. Number 1. Sultan Kosen, tallest man. 8 feet. 2.8 inch. 251 centimeters. Number 2. Brahim Tequila, 8 feet. 1 inch. 246 centimeters. Number 3. Dharmendra Pratap Singh, 8 feet. 1 inch. 246 centimeters. Number 4. Morteza Mehrzad Selekjani, 8 feet. 1 inch. 246 centimeters. Number 5. Zhang Junkai, 7 feet. 11 inch. 242 centimeters. Number 6. Asadullah Khan, 7 feet. 11 inch. 241 centimeters. Number 7. Nasir Sumro, 7 feet. 10 inch. 238 centimeters. Number 8. Sun Mingming, 7 feet. 9 inch. 236 centimeters. Number 9. Bao Zishan, 7 feet. 9 inch. 236 centimeters. Number 10. Radhuan Chabib, 7 feet. 9 inch. 236 centimeters. And a bonus. Number 11. Reem Young Hun, 7 feet 8.5 inch. 235 centimeters.